Invoices are sales receipts that your clients generate to their customers for products delivered or services provided. Before adding an invoice, make sure that you have already added customers and items of your client. After you log into GovReports, from the home page, select a client. Remember that for any client, all GST-related invoices, bills and returns can be done only in Leisure View. From the menu bar on the left, select Sales Menu. From that menu, click on Sales Register. To add a new tax invoice, select Invoices tab from the drop-down and select the Add or plus icon on the top right corner. Select a customer for the invoice from the list of customers already added by you. If you don't find the customer that you intend to generate the invoice for, go back to Sales menu and select Customer to add a new customer. In this case, Sun Electronics is selected. After selecting a customer, the billing address is displayed automatically. Source of supply is the state where the supply starts and place of supply denotes where the supply ends. Both of these fields gets prefilled based on the GSTIN or address of your client and their customer selected. There is an option to change the place of supply, in case it differs from the customer address. Enter the invoice number and invoice date. Add purchase order number and purchase order date, if there is any purchase order available for this tax invoice. In the Items section, after you click on the item detail, select the item sold, for example washing machine, from the drop-down. Once an item is selected, the rate, price and GST percent gets prefilled. Since this invoice is intrastate, GST percent is split equally into CGST and SGST. If the invoice is interstate, the GST percent is calculated totally as IGST. Edit the quantity field of the items added in the invoice. After you save the invoice, it is in draft status. To add this invoice to the system, you need to mark as sent. Click on More on the top left corner of the screen and select the Mark as Sent option. The status of the invoice will be changed to sent and the invoice will be added to the sales register for further processing. Thus, an invoice has been added manually.